Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Problem of the Day with Miss Allen. Remember, we are checking our answers, and this week we will continue to decompose T numbers. Remember, T numbers are numbers that have 10 ones and some extra ones. Okay, let's begin. Astronauts are cool. There are 16 astronauts. Some of them are boys and some of them are girls. How many are boys and how many are girls? So when we think about the S.O.L.V.E method, the solve method, we think about underlining the question, asking what is this problem asking me to find, circling the important parts, crossing out the ones that we do not need to solve the problem, and lining up a plan, which means we think about what strategies best work for solving our problem. Once we have a strategy in mind, we verify that plan with action by independently solving it. Then we write our answers in the answer key. So, boys and girls, Miss Allen has started with the S and the O. I have underlined the question, and the first question asks how many are boys. The second question asks how many are girls. So we are looking for two answers. Then I circle the important parts. 16 astronauts, some are boys, and some of them are girls. Check, check, check. And I crossed out astronauts are cool because while astronauts are cool, they are not going to help us figure out this problem. So check. I started by drawing a picture. So boys and girls, I need you to count with me to make sure that I have enough astronauts. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, we can circle a group of 10, right? So, and if you get confused, you can write your numbers under your drawings. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle this group of 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have my 16 astronauts. Ooh, I realized that this one is 10. I'm going to put my 10 here. Let's count the extra ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6. So 10 and 6 is 16. Let's use our objects. So boys and girls, this is my 10 cube stick. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need 16. I'm going to count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is my 16. I'm going to take away the extra ones over there. So now I have 16. Let's look at my objects. This is 10. We counted our 10 cube stick. And now let's count the extra ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 and 6, just like the picture when we circled the group of 10 astronauts. And I can draw my cubes on my paper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I need to draw my 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 10 and then I have 6 and check. When we look at my picture and my cubes, we can clearly see the parts. 10 and 6. And we need to put them together. Remember, when we put together, we add. And 10 plus 6 equals 16. And check. So our number line on the paper is too small. We can use the one that we have in our resource bag. Okay, so now we have the number line, and I'm going to use my equation to help me with the number line. This first part is 10, so I'm going to start on the number 10. And then I added 6 more. So I'm going to hop to the right, which is the plus, to add. Hop to the right 6 more times. So help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I landed on 16. So I'm going to circle that. Okay, so you guys can put your number line, take a picture if you need to send that to your teacher. And then I am going to use the 10 frame. And I can use my equation again to help me fill in the 10 frame. I have 10. So I'm going to know that the 10 frame, I need to fill this. And then 6 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's how you show 16 as 10 and some extra ones. 6 more ones. So boys and girls, now we have our number bond. Remember, with our number bond, you can label the parts to help you remember what number goes where. And I'm going to change my color pen so you guys can see. W for whole, part, and part. Remember, the whole is the circle with the arms coming out of it. What is our whole? How many astronauts do we have all together? There are 16 astronauts. And what are our parts? When we look at our 10 frame and we look at our equation, we look at our picture where Miss Allen circled a group of 10. We look at our cubes. They all say the same thing. 10 is the first part and 6 is the next part. If I turn my number bond that way, 16, 10, and 10. I turn it upside down, 16, 10, and 10. As long as you label, you know exactly where your whole and your parts go. Boys and girls, we need to write our answer in the answer box. Remember, there were 2 questions, so we have 2 answers. We have 10 and 6. Okay? I use my number bond, I use my 10 frame, I use my number line. Use your tools. You don't have to force yourself to draw extra on your paper. You have tools, snap a picture, submit. Okay, we can say 10 boys and 6 girls. Or we can say 10 girls and 6 boys. I'm a girl, so I'm going to give us more girls. So I'm going to say 10 girls and 6 boys. S. Challenge yourself. If 4 more girls, astronauts, show up, how many girls are there? Because I have a 10 girl, I'm going to add 4 more. But if you have 6 girls, then you add 4 more. I'm going to leave this challenge blank because I want to see what you mathematicians are going to do. Okay? Good luck and see you guys tomorrow.